Hello, my name is Alyssa from the Bruce County Public Library, and I'm going to show you how to do a magic milk experiment at home. For this experiment, you will need 1 plate, milk, I'm using 2%, food coloring, a cotton swab, and liquid dish soap. Pour enough milk to cover the bottom of your plate. Allow the milk to settle for a moment. Now you can grab your food coloring and add a few colors to the middle of your plate. I used 2 drops of each color right in the middle there. Now you can grab your cotton swab. What do you think will happen when we touch the swab to the milk? I'm not going to stir it around, I'm just going to touch it. Nothing happens. It's not very exciting yet. Now I'm going to put a drop of liquid dish soap on the cotton swab. Now what do you think will happen when we touch the swab in the milk? It's making the colors all dance around. When the colors start to slow down, you can take out your swab and place it in another spot. You can add another drop of soap to your cotton swab and place it around in different spots. Notice that even when I remove my swab, the colors sometimes still move around. What do you think is doing this? Milk contains fats and proteins. These are sensitive to any changes in the milk. Oils, like the fat in milk, don't dissolve in water. The tiny drop of soap breaks up the fat molecules. The fat molecules bend and twist in all directions while the soap molecules try to join up with the fat molecules. During all this activity, the food coloring molecules are being bumped everywhere, and they help us to see all the activity that's happening. When you add more soap and see the food coloring start to dance around again, you'll know there's still some fat molecules that haven't been partnered up with the soap molecules yet. When you try this experiment again, try with milk that's with a higher or lower fat content. What do you think will change? If you would like to try out more science experiments at home, I highly recommend this book that's available from the Bruce County Public Library, 10-Minute Science Experiments by Steve Spangler. It's got a lot of neat and fun experiments you can try with things that you can find around the house. Thanks so much for joining us today, and I hope you join us again next week for more STEAM activities.